we can identify if the given equation is linear or not. Meron tayong tatlong tatandaan. Okay, sabi dito, a linear equation in one variable, no. Variable in a linear equation is raised to a power greater than 1. Ano po sa Tagalog yun? Titignan daw natin anak yung variable. Kailangan daw yung variable, yung exponent niya ay hindi greater than 1. Ibig sabihin, kailangan ng exponent lang ay 1. Kapag lumagpas ng 1, not linear na siya. Again ha, take note, yung variable lang po yung pinag-uusapan natin. Kapag yung exponent ng variable ay 1, linear po yun. Kapag greater than 1, not linear. Okay, second. Okay, use as the denominator. Kapag daw anak yung variable matatagpuan sa denominator, not linear siya. Una, kapag yung exponent greater than 1, not linear. Pangalawa, kapag yung variable nasa denominator, not linear. At pangatlo, kapag yung variable ay nasa loob ng radical sign, not linear pa rin siya. Okay, at this time, identify whether the given is linear equation or not. First, what is the variable? X. What is the exponent of X? 2, greater than 1. Linear or not? Not linear po siya. Kailangan 1 lang yung exponent. Okay, second, X cubed is equal to 12. Linear or not? Not, because the exponent is greater than 1. Okay, next, 4 over X is equal to 3. Linear or not? Not. Bakit? Okay, because the variable, although fraction siya anak, okay lang magkaroon ng fraction. Basta dapat yung variable wala sa denominator. Asan ba yung variable? O nasa denominator. Therefore, not pa rin po yan. Naintindihan? Okay, okay lang magkaroon ng fraction basta ang pinag-uusapan, yung variable dapat wala sa denominator. And the last one, square root of x plus 2 is equal to 5. Not pa rin po. Why? Okay, very good. Because the variable is found inside the radical sign. Not pa rin siya. Any question?